Hello everyone, welcome to our class today, English for Mathematics. So today I have one lesson in grade 7 to talk about Unit 8, algebraic expression. Yes, this is grade 7's lesson that we start to use upper integrate for the secondaries and upper secondary level. So the question is, what is the algebraic expression? So before we start to learn today, we have to understand some learning objective. Let me see to show you. Yes, a learning objective. After we studied this lesson, we will learn about the points below. Unit 8, algebraic expression. So if after we learn the lesson, the first one is learning objective. Okay, for the first is the after we learn the lesson algebraic expression, we define the clearly about the algebraic expression. And then we identify the degree, and then after the degree term and variable. So this is the learning objective after we learn the lesson algebraic expression. Okay, let's now go to start the first one. The lesson is meant to identifying the algebraic expression. So you can see in the notebook, in the textbook for grade 7, is the first one is สัญญาณกันซ้ำ beginner. Yes. So สัญญาณกันซ้ำ beginner. What does it mean in English? Algebraic identifying or identification of algebraic expression. So if we catch the example from the lesson in the textbook, we can see that the first one is the identifying of algebraic expression. Okay, for example, 1, we have 7 multiply 3 plus 2. So this is that we call the number expression. Yes. To note about the algebraic expression, we take the number out and put the letter like A, B, C, or D, yes, etc. to instead one number or two number in this expression. Like if we put 7 equal to y and 3 and number 2 we put x equal to number 2. So the expression is equal to 7 multiplied by 3, and 3 is now delete, so we put number 7 equal to y. So this expression is going to like this. Yes, it's go to y multiply 3 plus, sorry, this is plus x, or 3y times y plus x. This is we call the algebraic expression. Why do we call this is to be the expression, the algebraic expression? Because we can see the letter y and x we call the variable. So what is the variable? The variable is the letter from A to Z, in which frequency used in the algebraic equation like x, y, or z, or a, b, m, n. Yes, this is the variable that is the letter, and 3 we call is the number or constant that multiply to y plus x. So the full expression is called the algebraic expression because we combine like as I said above. Okay, anyway, what about how many variables are there in this expression? In this expression, there are two variables in this expression is r, x, and y. And how many terms? It means that how many terms mean how many that we divide, we plus, or we operate in this expression. There are two terms. The first term is 3y and the second term is x. And this is we call the algebraic expression with two variables and two terms. For example, more we can see the algebraic equation. First, no, sorry, I can delete. Yes. For example, number 2. Number 2 also is the algebraic expression that we can say straight right to 2 times by x power 0. Yes. X plus 1, number 3x plus 3x plus, or sorry, 3x minus 2y. This is and more about the algebraic expression. So for the first example, what are the variables? So the variable is not completed. I mean that x we can write in this form. So if we take it x out and we instead x by y power 0, we can also say that y is also the variable for the first is algebraic expression. So the first one is also algebraic expression, but the variable is so many variables, and there are only one term. It's one term. And for number 2, the variable is x, and there are two terms. First term is x and the second term is number 1. And the number 3, the variable is x and y, and there are two terms also. So everyone, today we just talk about the lesson algebraic expression. For the first point, identifying as algebraic expression. So in completed including the lesson above, how can you notice that? What is the algebraic expression? So this is where I would like you to write down there about your understanding here, and then you can put it under the comment of the video. So today our lesson is going to the end point, and I hope you all will understand, although if my English explanation is not so good, so that there are some problem. I would like to apologize if I speak or I cannot explain the lesson well. So let's have a good day, and don't forget to write down your concept about the algebraic expression. Yes, thank you. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.